Okay, quartiles divide the scores into quarters. So the first thing you have to do is find the middle, and then you have to find the middle of the lower half and the middle of the upper half. So in this one there is 10 scores, so that's the middle. This is the middle of the upper, and this is the middle of the lower. Now, it does all of that for you in number 5. Minimum, maximum, highest score, lowest score, median, quartile 1, quartile upper. So this is quartile 1, median, quartile upper. So this era of crossing numbers off is over. We're just going to use the calculator. We can do the same thing down here. This is the median, this is the middle of the lower, and this is the middle of the upper. Oops. Okay, this decile business divides it into groups of 10, or deciles. So decile 2, decile 1 cuts off the lowest 10%, decile 9, the top 10%. So in this one, there's 20 scores, first decile, second, third, fourth, fifth, etc. So what is the second decile? It's here. It's what separates group 2 from group 3, and it's 97. The fifth is the median, and it's 100. Median. Find the value that separates the bottom 60% from the top 40, 102.5. If the height of Gabrielle's kindergarten child is in the top 10% of all children, she must be taller than 109. Percentiles breaks it up into percentages. So, following information based on age of 17 years, the median's 180, quartile 1 is 167, the 8th percentile. Let's read the questions. Oh, too far, here we go. James' height is 200. Is he tall for his age, and what percentage of 17-year-old boys are taller than him? Percentile 95 is 200. So yes, he is tall because he's up the top. There's 100 scores and he's here at 95. 5% are taller. Patrick is taller than 80%, which is the 8th decile. So he must be 191 from this 8th decile. 3/4 of boys are taller than Xavier. How tall is he? He's at the first quartile, which means he's 167. What height separates the bottom 10% from the 90th? Top 90, I'm looking for decile 1 or percentile 10. That's 163. What percentile is 180 centimetres? 50, because it's the median, so it's percentile 50.